I'm coming simple. I'm so to me class member.
Yes. Yes.
So I have to come here and talk about them. So I'm hearing you.
I need someone to help me. A
For
small
what?
girl. An assistant. To help me with my work.
Assistant?
Yes.
It's me. You want Shami?
Yes.
Yes. Someone, if you speak, then you broke it in three.
Yes.
And that's one. I've been thinking about that. You are my daughter. You are my daughter. Because last night, when I sleeping, I'm thinking about that. That is why you are coming to tell me.
Yeah.
It's nice. Don't worry yourself. When I do what your happiness will become, I will do it for you.
Okay.
They will never be a mayamo. Say, be also be nyakuma pa. Na waye. Wakamate. With the many battle form. Na mashe akola sabi efibie ni ho. One fa be manda. Waye virginity.
Okay, that's good.
Because this room, if you go and take the woman, you can't come here.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I will give you the right person. There will be at start.
Give me someone who is respectful. Someone who won't disobey me.
You are talking too much. You know your mom already. So don't worry yourself.
Okay.
Early in the morning, I'll go the area of the town. From when you mention the park where responsible.
Okay, that's good.
Are you okay now?
Yes. That's why I called you.
Yes. My daughter, I love you so much.
I love you too, Mama.
I want your happiness to be happiness.
Yeah.
So I'm going to home and prepare you a talk.
Okay.
A talk, the eggs, the momone, the kobe for you.
Yeah.
Then you eat.
Okay.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Hey. I'm going. So I'll go and do it for you. We're last.
Okay.
Sister me pano. Mama said the person soon. My daughter. Abo. Nana Hofe. My daughter. My daughter. Hey. So what to do? Entry class. Obeba. Only baby a class. Aha. My daughter.
What brings you here, Mommy?
Why your face will be serious like that? You didn't see your mommy. Your mommy is here. Sit down. Nana, oh, you want to stand there?
Yeah.
No, sorry. Oh, sorry, sorry. On teaching.
Oh.
You can speak English. You too can speak English. Follow him, catch it, no?
I hear English. I speak English.
Hey, also. Okay. Nana, please. The last time I came here, you told me that you want the assistant of the robots.
Yes, Mommy.
Yay! So I set the room. My room will be at the then I cut this person. The man is standing here. Do you see her?
Mommy, it's a woman.
So that can be pie, tomato. So this girl is the virginity.
You're a virgin.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
You should be clean before you work for me. You know
She's
that.
the cleaner. Oh, you're cleaner. Come up. Nana, wait dear. Where they will search for when I'm type a pet. So when you speak the English, there is translations. Oh, but that's there.
Okay.
This guy is coming. Tell him you can do it.
I can do it.
Are you sure?
Yes, I can.
You are ready to do this?
Yes.
Because I'm ready to go to the mother and find her.
And the mother and the parents agree?
Agree.
Okay.
Yeah, so from now onwards, she's your Chame assistant.
Okay. That's good. That's good. I hope you won't be disobedient.
No.
Are you sure?
No.
Okay.
Don't be around the door. Why are you shy like that?
I'm not.
Free.
Oh.
This is home. Free. It's my daughter. So, are you hungry? Are you eating? I want to go and prepare your favorite color you like. I'll give it to you.
Okay.
That's my daughter. The girl will go and prepare everything to when they start the work. Where be I? Come na me. Ken. Hey, now they say it's a role model. You are dancing the role model.
Oh.
No, start. Ken. Do it. Ken. She will do it. She'll do it. So I'm going.
Okay, Mom.
The evening I'll bring your food for you.
Okay.
Then we eat and satisfy.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Nana, my daughter, mommy is home. I'm here. Please, sit down. Trust. On your class. I don't know. Nana. I bring the daughter so she come to maid of service of Besumo. Oh, Nana. Why do you mind me? I'm talking to you. Hey, relax. Abem, and I tampos my camera. Abem, so mine abem. On your way. So my ethical no be a phone, but so nicely. Abem, son, my name is Slow. One now is so in the cham. Now I croak, no, mammy. What's it? Me drop on no. Abem, son, and corner. At say, ya, no one can say, we are Bebuno. Into the milk. Why? Let's see, I'm not best. Nana, I'm going. Hey, them on your way. Who's ready? Now, who's come to teach me? Who's come to teach me? Now, who could drove him? Never did. No, my bag is so much my house ready. A bus in the soon. I bet you. Okay. What are you about? How's it going?
Hey!
Hey, sorry. What are you?
Me, okay, Nana.
Why then?
One customer, what's here, Mr. Or some come fee. One customer home.
Hey, wow. Wow, papa.
Miss Rowe.
It's when the two now so much my argument. I do my cat to what's the why now, Mumpo? Sumanamo. Etia, do you best in a quick for myself? What about some blessing? What about too much on them?
You are welcome.
What do you want here?
I can't sit here so long. I had to wait for you.
What do you seek?
I seek for some lady.
Lady?
Yeah.
Which lady is that?
I saw her for this house. If be your children, you have to what to tell her.
You mean my assistant?
Your assistant.
What do you want from her?
He be so nice. Come here, come here. If I get her man.
Do you know you're a spirit?
Yeah, that's spirit and pay. Huh?
You are a spirit and you want my assistant.
Listen to me very carefully. You are my children. I'm the one protecting you, providing you everything. So if I need something, You need to do it for me.
So what do you want me to do?
I want you to tell them, say, I like her. I want, because it's so many years. Yeah. It's so many years. Mempe.
Okay, I've heard you, if that's what you want.
That's what it is.
Okay.
You know, I like you. I'll provide everything that you want in the form of spirit for you. So now, do what I said for me.
Okay. You give me time. I will do just as you say.
I hear you. That's my children.
Yeah.
She's so pretty. She's so very, very pretty.
She is. Yes, she is.
I'll go.
Okay. Alright.
I'll look your face for the evening.
Okay.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Why do you even want this girl? How am I going to convince her? I have to do something about this before it gets out of hand. My daughter.
Yes, my priestess.
I called you here for a reason. The gods of our land has eyes on you.
What? The gods of our land eyes on me?
Yes, he's interested in you.
Me feeling.
He wants you.
What? How can the gods of our land have trade?
Sit down,
Yeah.
my daughter. Sit.
Yes, my priestess.
You have no choice but to accept if you don't want to lose your life or your family.
That's all.
How can it be me, my priestess? It's never possible.
It should be part. Hey.
So who do you want it to be? It should be your pleasure to accept this.
Not the gods, my priestess. Not the gods.
Me betray him.
Not the gods,
He
my
says
priestess.
you have to accept before he gets angry.
Yes. Better tell her. Tell her to accept before I treat the entire anymore.
I hope you don't want storms to break down on your house.
That's all it is.
So you have to accept. Just do what he wants.
My priestess, if that's the will of the gods, I'm ready to do whatever.
That's
good, my daughter. That's good.
The gods are ready to remove water. Thank you, my children, for convincing her. I really appreciate it. And I'm so happy too. So I'm also honored. But hey, she the must fiada, the fiada. When we MP, Nananom Beba, Abba use you. The gods will come and remove water.
My daughter,
My priestess.
the gods of our land says I should tell you. On Friday, Blessed Friday, he would come visit you. So you should be the only one in the house ready
Not
for
so
him.
soon.
Hey, now go up in it.
Not so soon,
My
my
daughter,
priestess.
sit down.
The gods horse
The gods
are
have
running.
reasons.
I don't know how to compare them. The gods horse are running.
My priestess, since I've grown to be a young girl, I never known anything like a man. And I have ordained to serve and worship this oracle. I can't not now.
Yeah, that was
My
every
daughter, the gods are wise and they have reasons for their doings.
That's my children. My
Just
children.
be ready for him.
I will take
If
my
that's the will of the gods, I'm ready, my priestess.
So you have no option. Just be clean and ready for him, my daughter.
Your wish is my command. My
You are
priestess.
blessed by the gods.
Amen.